Okay, here's the Antminer S9 in the kitchen. We're doing a quick test to see what's going to happen. We're going to power it on here.
It's going to be so loud. Oh, it's not loud at all.
It gets louder than that, though.
Oh, okay. Like my hairdryer is louder than that.
That's actually cool air. So it's sucking in from here and pushing out from there. Not bad. So it takes a little bit to boot up. Let's see how loud this gets. Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome back. So in my last video I was talking about like the Ethereum mining that I've been doing, and I was also talking about that I was going to be getting something else in the mail, and I finally got it. And what that is the Antminer S9, like you saw in the beginning of this video. So that's a Bitcoin miner. It mines Bitcoin, and it's the most powerful and most power efficient Bitcoin miner on the market right now. So that Bitcoin miner, the Antminer S9, does 14 terahashes a second, and it uses 1,350 watts. Now, if we plug 14 terahashes into this Bitcoin mining calculator and use that power consumption number, we're looking at using about $3.90 worth of power every single day. And that's if you were paying about 12 cents per kilowatt hour. And for the whole year, just for the whole year for running this thing, you're paying $1,420 just to run this Antminer S9. Now, if we look at how much profit you're going to make at the end of the year. Now, this number I'm going to say is minusing the power cost. So this is pure profit, $8,602. So at the end of the year, you're getting 0.94 Bitcoin. Now, the problem is Bitcoin difficulty continues to go up. So at the end of the year, you might get less than 0.94, you might get 0.9 or 0.88. So meaning the difficulty to mine Bitcoin is going to increase every day, every week, every month, every year. It's going to constantly go up. So with time, you're going to get less and less and less of Bitcoin. So one thing that could potentially balance out the difficulty versus how much Bitcoin you get in return is if the price of Bitcoin continues to increase. And today it hit like over $11,000, which is insane. Pretty crazy stuff. So if you want to get one of these things, you can go 3 different places. So the first place is obviously the source. So the company that makes this thing is bitmain.com. And that's going to be the cheapest place that you can get. It's $1,400 for just the Antminer S9. But the problem is they only accept Bitcoin Cash. They don't take US dollar or euro or whatever. They don't take Bitcoin, just Bitcoin Cash. The other issue is if you order today, right this second, they're going to be shipping out end of January. And this thing is coming from China. So I'm guessing it's going to take a week or 2 just to even get it. So if you order right now, you're probably going to get it mid-February. And I guess the point I'm trying to say is you don't want to wait that long, because you want to get, if you're interested in actually Bitcoin mining, you want to get in right this second. So as soon as I got it, I plugged it in and I wanted to start mining, because if you lose a day, I mean, you're losing what, $30 or $25 worth of Bitcoin. So if you do decide to buy it directly from them using Bitcoin Cash, you're going to get it mid-February, which means you're missing out on 3 months worth of Bitcoin, and you would be earning $700 a month worth of Bitcoin. So that's kind of like a lot of money to wait that long just to get it. So now the other place that you can get these Antminer S9s is Amazon and eBay. Now the problem with this is that the people that are selling on Amazon and eBay, they're buying it directly from Bitmain, but they're selling it on Amazon and eBay for a crazy price increase. So I paid $3,699 for the Antminer S9, and these Antminers, they don't come with power supplies. The company does make one, but it's 220 volts, and not everybody in the United States has their house or whatever wired for 220 volts. So I'd recommend this power supply here. It's EVGA 1600 watt. This goes for anywhere between $360 and $400, and it is compatible with the Antminer S9. So I'll have the link to all this stuff and whatever down in the description. So like I said, buy on Amazon or eBay. You're paying a lot more but you're getting it within a few days and you could start right away. So I got my Antminer S9 about a day and a half ago, so I've been mining for about a day and a half. So at the end of this video, I'll show you like how much I've earned so far for a day and a half worth of Bitcoin mining. But I want to show you this thing. I want to show you, you saw the beginning of it. I just want to show you like, how loud this thing is. I'm actually running it at my parents' house. I don't have it here. It's at my parents' house in their garage, so it's nice and cool, and it can be loud in the garage. My parents don't hear it inside the house or anything. But yeah, let's check it out and see what this thing's all about. There it is. All right, so that's going off right now. I'm in the config section now in the Antminer, trying to get it set up to connect to my Bitcoin mining pool, which is Slush Pool. Still getting it set up, see how this goes, and then eventually we're gonna be able to see what my going hash rate is on Slush Pool. All right, so I just got the miner set up with Slush Pool, and right now it's saying 14.4 terahashes. It's slowly going down. I really hope it stays at 14 though. So pretty soon we'll be able to see what Slush Pool is seeing, and then what my expected payout will be based off of all this stuff. So I'll come back when that's done. Okay, it's connected to the pool now, and this is slowly going up. So 1.2 terahashes a second. This should go up closer to 14 with time, so it's going to take a little while. So I'm actually going to be having this thing set up here at my parents' house.
Oh, now you make a noise.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Like this, I'm not asleep. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's nice and cool in here.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, the only thing I'm worried about is maybe humidity, but it's not too humid. It's winter time, so it's really dry. That was the only concern, but here we go. It's been going strong for about, let's say 45 minutes, and I just pulled up the Slush Pool stats here, and we're looking at about 11.34, so it still has to go all the way up to about 14. So far, it's saying daily estimated earnings is that much, but it's going to be more than that. This is still kind of like processing, trying to figure out what the return is. But yeah, 11.34, still going up. So yeah, like I said, I've been running the Antminer S9 for about a day and a half, and for that day and a half, I've earned 0.004 something worth of Bitcoin, which is about $42, $43. So day and a half, $43, not bad, not too bad. So at the end of the month, I should expect something like 700 bucks. According to the Bitcoin mining calculators and all that stuff. But yeah, I hope this video kind of helps you understand more about Bitcoin mining in general, and as well as whether or not the Antminer S9 is something that you'd be interested in doing. I'd say it is a risky investment. It definitely is risky, but like I said, I'm feeling a little optimistic. So I think there is some potential. We'll see where this goes. I mean, nobody knows exactly, but I'm just going in for the ride and seeing how this all goes. But I think that's it. Like I'm gonna be doing like I'm also, like I was mentioning, like doing like Ethereum mining. So right now I'm mining on a GTX 1070 Founders Edition video card. So that's mining at about 31 megahashes. And I did order a second one, so that's gonna be coming later this week. So I guess I just want to ask you guys if that would be a video that I should do. Like, I need to install that new card. So I don't know if that's something you guys are interested in. And if there is anything else, like how to, work with Bitcoin mining pools, or what the best pools are. I don't know, whatever questions you guys have, like, I don't know, like there's so much to talk about. Like, I'm still learning stuff every single day. So this is still pretty new to me, but it's interesting. I love starting new things that are just interesting. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. But yeah, I think that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments. I'd love to know if anybody else is doing any Bitcoin mining or any other cryptocurrency mining. definitely a cool little conversation to have. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.